Always when you get CapCut, always go into okay allow. Always go into business creator mode. You let it refresh. Then you just close the app. And go back in. Go to new project. Allow all. Let's say I just want to take a random video that I have. This one. You see? Remove. Now, it only goes to 1080p, but you can extract. Okay? You can export. It's not that 720p stuff and whatnot. Everything works. You don't need a VPN. You don't need all of that. Watch. Export. Boom. Export. If I go into my gallery, I go to the same video. You see here 1080p. Let me show you. You see?